Supply chain is changing, not in theory, but in practice. Artificial intelligence is being applied across key functions, including forecasting, routing, inventory control, and exception management. It's not a silver bullet, but when integrated properly, it improves how teams respond to volatility and allocate their resources. Execution cycles are shortening. What used to be monthly planning is now shifting to rolling continuous updates. AI helps surface patterns earlier, flags issues sooner, and supports more consistent decisions. Sustainability has become part of operational design. Many organizations are now linking energy use and their emissions to logistics planning. This includes optimizing routes based on fuel type, using carbon data to inform mode selection, and monitoring facility performance much more closely. Of course, cybersecurity remains a structural concern. As supply chain systems become more connected, exposure grows. That includes APIs, supplier portals, and embedded automation. AI can help identify anomalies and support early responses, but only if data integrity and access control are well managed. Across the board, the overall trend is integration. Functions that were once siloed, including planning, transportation, risk, sustainability, are all being brought together, and not just for visibility, but for coordination. This doesn't at all replace the need for experienced operators. It gives them better information much earlier in the process and a more complete picture of what's changing. Because in most sectors, execution is becoming the differentiator, and the systems that support it will determine who keeps pace and who falls behind. So if you're navigating these shifts and want a clear view of your options, ARC Advisory Group can help. We work directly with supply chain leaders to benchmark performance, evaluate platforms, and reduce deployment risk. When you're ready to move forward, we'll help you move with confidence.